Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 back again on this. Well, it's still daylight. Get ready to be dusk dawn, you know. So this is no ordinary Mardi Gras day, you know. This is no ordinary Mardi Gras day, ladies and gentlemen, because it normally be crowded out here, you know. It normally be crowded out here. But due to the circumstances of COVID-19 and stuff like that, that's why one time for 2014 in Mardi Gras, I guess we were standing right by that spot right there on the neutral ground, you know. I have to review the episode, you know. And then 2015, we were standing right here. In 2016, we were standing right here, you know. Yeah, 2015 and 2016 in Mardi Gras, we were standing right here. In 2017, we went back to our original spot. You know, I was trying to hold the spot down, but unfortunately the crowd took it over. You know, I guess y'all wondering why I'm not wearing a mask. You know, I'm not getting on the bus, and I'm not going to a store. Okay. All right. So we were standing right here, I do believe, for 2014 and 2015 and 2016. You know, my friend Charlie was here. You know, so y'all seen Charlie on my episode before. You know, all right. The girl real name is Dontrell. Okay, so I don't know how she doing. You know? So, and then this was our original spot. Okay, so this is no ordinary Mardi Gras. I should call it. Okay, so the way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just showing the viewers around. You know, just in case anybody got any questions and answers. You know. So supposed to be sipping my hot chocolate, you know, you know. So all right. So look around, ladies and gentlemen. Not a creature is stalling, not even a mouse. Well, I guess I wouldn't say mouse. This sign been here since I think since 2015, I do believe. They did a sign right down Lafitte, but Hurricane Zeta blew it away. You know. So we gotta think about, ladies and gentlemen. There's some crowds around. You know. The buses are still running. There's no icy roads. You know. So as we looking around down Orleans and stuff like that. So to let y'all know who's watching this and you're on Facebook, this is gonna go on YouTube here. I don't know when it's gonna go on YouTube, but it's gonna go on YouTube. Okay, looking area, ladies and gentlemen. So in case you're not familiar with New Orleans, it usually be crowded around here. You know, it usually be crowded on the street. You know, the Zulu pass on this side right here. Before Katrina, the Zulu used to pass on this side right here. Okay? At first, the Zulu parade was going right down on this side, passing that away. Okay? And then in 2000, the Zulu started passing backwards, like down here on this side. But due to these new projects over here, the Zulu parade started passing on this side, you know. But I'm letting y'all know, just in case y'all didn't see my previous episodes. Just in case y'all never saw my previous episodes, you know. Okay. So I don't know about back here. I don't know about back here though, but you know, around here you usually be fenced off, you know. They would have a fence right here, you know, all down through there, you know. So fortunately and unfortunately, or whatever you want to call it, you know, Well, unfortunately for the parade goers, it's empty. You know, it sure is empty and quiet as a mouse. You know, why am I doing this? To get ratings, okay? Why is Domino 7 doing this? Just to get ratings, okay? All right, so people could watch it. I don't know who's watching the Domino 7 show. I don't know who watching right now. You know, all I know, the last one I was watching is some guy named Jamal. Y'all seen him on my show before if y'all watched my previous videos. You know, and my friend Jeree was watching. I wanted her to be on my show so bad. You know. Yep. So, all right. So showing y'all around, and my friend TJ just tuned in. All right, TJ just tuned in because he on Facebook watching me right now. You know, he just tuned in. It's not snowing out here, TJ. You know, so when did they put this here? Who knows? Last year, a couple of years ago, I do believe. Okay. All right. So let's go take a walk around downtown. Well, not downtown, in the CBD. Okay. Y'all know all around here would have been fenced off. You know. All around here would have been fenced completely off. You know. So just look at this area right here, you know, because, you know, it would have been fenced off to right here, you know, you know, so that's all there is to it, you know. So for you viewers that's watching me right now, I'm just showing my viewers from out of town, you know. All I'm trying to do is get ratings, okay? That's all, okay? All right. My family is watching. Oh, yes, they're watching. Oh. All right. Yep. At least I'm getting enough ratings, you know. Okay. So I'm good. I'm careful of my surroundings, y'all. They go to bus down there. Okay. So I'm not gonna go close to anywhere. You know. I'm just gonna go as far as I could go. Cause normally back here they would have had a lot of cars parked back here, you know. They would have had a lot of cars parked back here, you know. So, all right. So, anybody else that's watching the Domino 7 show, thank you. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. Almost to, they go to St. Bernard bus right there. Not the Louisa, even though Louisa passed this way. You know, that's one of them old buses. From 2008, I was still living in New Iberia at the time. The smaller one, smaller than that, was new in 2008. I assume there was new in 2010, I do believe. All right. So, y'all know, it would have been crowded around here, you know. Yep. It would have been crowded back here, you see. Yep. Y'all see? It would have been crowded back here. You know? It's all empty. See how they got everything fenced up? You know? You know, I don't know. I saw on Facebook so somebody took a picture of the fence right here, you know? So that could prevent crowds, you know? And you know, Latoya Cantrell, I give you props, you know? Keeping this city safe, you know? She had my vote next election, you know? All right, so wait a minute. Showing y'all the gates that's around, and that's all I'm gonna talk about. Okay, thank y'all for watching the show. All right, bye bye.